While pumpkins are still readily available at the grocery store, Sarah and I are going to show you a few different ways to prepare them. But today we're going to slice them and roast them in the oven. We're going to take the seeds out because those can also be used. We're going to clean them and then roast them with salt, and they're actually a very delicious snack. There are a great variety of pumpkins or squash, and these are just two of them. And what's so nice about them, they are so versatile. You can make risotto, soups, you can make pasta dishes, you can eat them just on their own when they're roasted, or you can even use them to fill a ravioli. Now we're gonna try to cut this big boy as well, and just slide the knife in here, and then we're gonna flip it around and cut on this side as well. And here we go. Once again, we can harvest the seeds from here as well and use them later on. Look at this gorgeous color. Oh, I can barely wait to cut it into slices, and then since the oven is already preheating outside, we'll just simply put them on a pan and take them out there. All the halves have been cleaned out, and now we're going to cut them into wedges. And what's nice is you can actually leave the skin on, because once they're roasted, the skin comes off very easily. As you can see, we have sliced them and placed them on this pan. And now we're gonna cut up some herbs. Here we have a bit of rosemary, some cayenne pepper, and we might even put these in camicia with the skin still on. We're going to pull the rosemary off the stem, and all you do is you hold it right here by the top and just go backwards, and they come right off. And we'll also add some of this cayenne pepper. That's totally optional. We usually like a bit of heat. And with the mezzaluna, we are just going to chop it up much finer. You can also do this with the knife. We just love to use the mezzaluna. I think we're gonna get just maybe 2 cloves of garlic, and the rest we can put in with the skin on, in camicia. And so here we're gonna give it a quick smash so we can get the skin off very easily. And we're also going to chop this up right with the garlic. And we absolutely love garlic. It's healthy and it's delicious. So let's do this again, and we'll chop everything up. I'm just gonna start up like this. And then with the mezzaluna, we can make it nice and fine. We are ready to sprinkle this on top of the pumpkin. Let's get some of this, put it right over the top, and this is going to add an absolutely amazing flavor. Now we're also going to salt it, and of course drizzle everything with olive oil. So some nice salt. Here is the olive oil. A nice generous drizzle of it. And voila. The oven has been preheating, and it's actually a little bit hot, or too hot, so we might need to put some foil on top of the pumpkins. So we'll just lightly place this on top to keep it from charring too quickly. You can go back in, move it over just a bit. Oh, this is hot. And we will close the door. Let's look inside. And we're probably going to take the foil off now. Oh yes, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's check with a fork. It's nice and soft. We're just going to allow it to brown just a little bit. Let me check underneath. It's looking mighty good. So let's go peek inside. Oh yes, look at there. Nicely caramelized on top, and these are going to be absolutely flavorful and delicious. Check out these beautiful slices. They're nice and soft, but on top they're also caramelized. These can be just enjoyed as a delicious side dish with some rustic bread, or think about it, if we were to puree this and use it as a filling for ravioli. Well, all I can tell you now is buon appetito. Check how you can slice it off and then peel the skin off very, very easily.